I just want to take a quick minute and go over different measuring implements. So this kind of measuring glass, and you can see it's got ounces and cups and on one side, and on the other side it's got milliliters and liters. It's for measuring liquids. So this is another one for measuring liquids. These kind of measuring cups are for measuring powders or solids. You have measuring spoons, and obviously, you know, this is a regular tablespoon, and you can see the difference between, you know, there's definitely a size difference between a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon and a regular tablespoon. So, and of course, you have your scales. So this scale weighs in just about everything, but it's what you need when making the different diets. Okay, so here we have 8 ounces by weight of scrambled eggs. The bowl was zeroed out, so it's 8.148 ounces. Okay, so here's an empty measuring cup, which is, you know, 1 cup, 8 ounces. Let's get it zeroed out. And then same measuring cup filled up to the 8 ounce mark, 5.534 ounces. This is why it's important to weigh your protein and not just measure it in a measuring cup. Okay, so 8.04 ounces, and then I'm going to put it in the measuring cup. Same measuring cup from before. So, as you can see, definitely more than 8 ounces per the measuring cup. Okay, so this is ground turkey. We started with 16 ounces, and after it's been cooked, we were ending up with almost 10.3 ounces. So that's almost 6 ounces of moisture lost after cooking. Okay, zeroing the scale out with an empty measuring cup, and it's a 1 cup, so 8 ounces. So zeroed out. In the measuring cup, I have 8 ounces of ground turkey. So if you use a measuring cup and measure, that's 4.258 ounces, respectively. So it would need another 4 ounces to equal 8 ounces that's required for the diet, or 2 ounces if you're using 6 ounces instead of 8 for TPG. So here is what 8 ounces by weight looks like. A lot more than in an 8 ounce measuring cup. Okay, bowl is zeroed out, and not to be repetitive, but just to show you the same thing with, you know, ground chicken. Here is 8 ounces by weight of ground chicken. .2. Then gonna zero out, and you can see 8 ounces by measuring cup is only 5 ounces. So you'd be shorting, if you use 8 ounces of chicken in your TPG, be shorting them 3 ounces of protein, fat, and other nutrients that, you know, it provides from the batch. So as you can see here, I have 1 cup of water in a liquid measuring cup and 1 cup for a solid measuring cup. So this is why it's important to use a liquid measuring cup when you measuring liquids, because you know, for the liquid you fill it up to the line, and for the solids you'd have to fill it up to the rim. So just to show you an example. You see, I ended up spilling. So this is why it's important to use a liquid measuring cup when doing liquids, and using a solid measuring cup when you're doing powders or solid items. So when measuring powders, you want to overfill and then have a flat surface to scrape the excess off, because filling it to the brim is the correct measurement.